Hello mga kabungots! Ari na naman kita ma-session. Well, tonight is relaxation day. So, maskin may ara kita juicing na healthy, dapat may gamay man ta na pang-relax. So, ang aton drink for tonight is Macallan 12. Ayos. So, by the way, this is a Glencairn glass, or sa English term is tulip glass. Namin ni siya sa pang single malt whiskey. Okay. Makuha mo ang essence ng single malt. That's nice. So, ang aton na segment for tonight will be about IMO segment with kabungots. Bali, Ilonggo lang ta. Sa sunod naman ta ng mga session, we'll try na may English man kita, kag may Tagalog man kita ng mga segments. But for now, Ilonggo lang ko kay amo na nga ako na nadakuan na lingwahe. And ang topic naton subong is very intriguing. In a way, it's about diskarte or diploma. So topic na subong, grabe. Though kita ko na sa mga social media about diskarte kag diploma. Damo na ako nakita sa Reels and sa YouTube as well. So ako lang ni opinion ha. This is my personal opinion and I will stand by my opinion because this is the way I was brought up and personal experience. So ako piliyon ko gid diploma. You know why? Because ang diploma will give me access sa mga opportunities. And by experience here in Australia, which now we migrate here, I think 6 years ago. That was 2018. So, personal experience, ang diploma naghatag gid sa akon sa opportunities na sa diskarte pwede man, but ginatulok gid sang Australia na especially sa mga trade skills like mine, diploma or certifications or qualifications kay very important ang competencies na tawag. So butang tanang may background na history with diploma. High school, maka-diploma ka meaning basic or fundamentals. And for that, posta lang anay ha. And I will come back to you later. Alright, we're back for commercial lang to kay medyo mag-out di subong sa Balake Friday. Kag school holidays. So diri sa Australia, I think ang school holidays is almost 2 weeks per sem sa mga kids. So medyo mag-out sila. So I just need to be told them to be keep quiet a little bit. Not entirely. May matamay mo ko muna. So going back, high school, diploma. So ang diploma is dako na butang para number 1, maka-college ka sa Pilipinas. So hindi ka ka-proceed college kung wala ka sang high school diploma, which is a prerequisite. Then kung ano na course na gusto mo kwaon, then hopefully you graduate from that course. So may college diploma ka. Then kung gusto mo pagid mag-hire pagid, pwede man ka mag-masteral and everything. But for me, after college, doon ako, ubra na ako to that time. Medyo naglawig-lawig mga college ko, but it happened na nakagraduate kid man ko. Then, fast forward sa years before coming to Australia. So, wala sang gawa sang siling mo na opportunities sa Pilipinas, especially kung ano na gingraduatean mo na course, because tama ka damo gid damo katama ang gagraduate, but the job vacancies are not that enough para sa tanan ng mga estudyante na graduate sa college. So isa na da katama ang buta mo ang opportunities. Kaya man tayong gasulod ang diskarte. But then again, before ka makasulod sa isa ka company, prerequisite gid gyapon ang diploma. Maskin ano pa na kuan nila na makita nila yan na mayo ka sa interview and everything. Sa Pilipinas, dako na bagay ang diploma. Then, butang taang time na nag-test da ako, like competencies for automotive service technician and commercial cooking sa TESDA. So, ang namin sa TESDA that time, it's ISO. ISO siya na competency. Meaning, ang ISO is standard siya internationally, which is recognized all over the world. And especially if you're doing some trade skills like welding, automotive service technicians, cooking, commercial cooking, food and beverages under hospitality na industry. So, isa sa mga competencies ang iya ka TESDA na ang ginahatag sa time na to. That was, I think, 2015, I think, ang akon to. So, ang ginko ako is automotive service technician and commercial cooking. But before that, nagkuha man ko culinary na short course, but it's fundamentals to culinary na course. So, amo na. Sa na siya sa ICECAM sa Quezon City. Then 2018, we were given the chance an opportunity to migrate in Australia. So it was a skilled immigrant 489, visa 489. It's a skilled immigrant sa ga-apply na mga Pilipino sa Australia. So amo na ang ako na situation. Then ang diskarte kag diploma abi tama ka broad man ang explanation, but tungod sa diploma na nakuha ko sa TESDA, I was able to get a job as a chef. Kaya pwede ko kasulod as a chef or a automotive service technician. So maskin may diskarte kagid man tuod, diploma gyapon ang lantawon nila diri sa Australia. Because ang Australia, they have Australia-New Zealand standards for competencies, which means hindi ka pwede magambal na kabalo ko magluto, chef ako, pero diskarte lang. Ipakita kagid na document na you studied that short course or course man na diploma and na-pass mo na siya. So, therefore, you're competent and qualified. Ang term diri sa Australia, what are your qualifications? Are you competent? So, meaning, kung wala ka sa maipakita na papel, hindi ka nila i-hire amo na kadali. Regardless paano pa ng abilidad mo. Because ang papel lang na is just only a piece of paper, but that piece of paper will tell the employer na I have this kind of skills, I studied this, I went into training, and I passed these kinds of trainings as well. Kay hindi lang may written exam, may araman sang actual na tawag nila na trials Sang time to na nagsulod ko dire sa Australia, pagsulod ko as a chef, after sang interview, ang next step sina is trial sa actual service sa kitchen. So, hindi na siya, some they will pay you, but some they don't pay you. Depende na kung willing ka mag-trial for without pay. Because they will see kung ano ka na klase na in a working environment, actual working environment with high volume of food going out in the kitchen. Especially bistros na more than 50 seating capacity. So, ang trial ko to Friday night. That's a busy night for any bistros here in Australia. So, 30 minutes lang na, but pag start na sang docket nag-print, kwan na dayon, maluto ka. Pero lang taon na sang head chef kung paano ka mag-organize ang imo na section. It so happen, ang section ko is fry section, which I do sneeries, chips, and all those quick mga crumb fish, buttered fish, salt and pepper squid. So amo na ang akong to na station, which is I'm very familiar with because previous work experience ko sa Pilipinas, mga pop-up ko na ng mga gigs ang una sa school, sa Dinagyang, na it helped me through those experience how to organize myself in bulk cooking. Sa bulk cooking daan, very you know how to organize your cooking time, you know how to organize your sections. Kay man, hindi mo pwede lutoon dungan ang schnitzel, kag cramfish because their cooking time are different. Mas lawig gid ang chicken kaysa fish. Mas dasig pagid kung salt and pepper squid because I think it will just take 2 to 3 minutes. Ang chips, depende man kay may ara sang gusto ng mga tao na chips, gusto nila medyo crispy, may iban hindi crispy, gusto nila ang those soft na klase na chips. So depende na. But ang point is, ang diploma or that piece of paper will help you to advance your career here in Australia. And now, ano nang tawag nila na diskarte. Ang diskarte is matunan mo na eh. It's by experience. Hindi mo na madala sa work mo kung wala ka diploma or piece of paper na gahambal na mo ko ni. I know this kind of work. I have the experience and to do it. Dira na lang nila makita once na ara ka na sa actual na working place. Diskarte na dayon. So, sakon, importante ang diploma, at the same time ang diskarte nami man. So, kung matandem mo na ang diploma kag diskarte, unstoppable kasi mo na abilidad. But for me, ang diploma is a better chance for me to excel or to be successful in my career na gusto ko ma-project sa ako na life. So, sa muna na bagay, it will be just a short segment about or perspective sa mga current issues in life. So, amo na bilang tawag nila na ang experience is the best teacher. Kay tungod sa mga experiences mo, you can come up with diskarte na nami. Ang diskarte matunan mo man na. Pero kung may diploma ka, then may diskarte ka pagit, pwerte na gid na siya na abilidad nimo na hindi ka mapunggan. It will be easy for you to look for jobs because you have that kind of piece of paper, and how you handle yourself in a workplace of diskarte, then that will be a very beneficial for your career. And now, I'm still in a way na gapangita ako sa ako na career na anong nami. and nami subong kay ang current job ko subong is in service technician for medical equipments under dental industry, which caters with autoclaves, dental chairs, medical compressors, x-rays, and a little bit of mga CT scan man sa veterinary, but it will be that a second phase pa sa akon kay because lain na naman na siya na ano ning tawag sini, lain naman na siya na direction. But for now, I'm concentrating on being a service technician for medical sterilizer, which is an autoclave, and medyo technical siya because you got dapat ang temperature mo wala dapat ka lubo sa mo ni may specific na standards para sa sterilization. So those are the medical equipments right now I'm doing for repair, service, maintenance, and installation. So for me, diploma gid kung magaan ko sang choice diploma gid kay because I'm one of the products of the diploma na siling mo tungod sa diploma nakalabot ko sa muni na position ko, then along the way kabalo ko sang diskarte na tawag kay yung diskarte na hindi mo man na pwede madula you need those kinds of skills. It's a skill set as well that you must learn through the years na sige-sige mo obra, and for that I believe it's a good combination as well kung may diploma ka then diskarte. And for that, thank you for listening, and hopefully we can discuss a little bit more of current issues sa mga aton na pangabuhi, especially in workplace, and it will be a different segments for other stuff concerning about Australia. Then i-share ko man sa inyo ang mga upcoming na mga plans ko for this channel, The Bearded Fellow. It will be more on the life here in Australia as a fellow, which is do Pinoy yung tawag sina. Mga kumbaga mga kwantaman, mga places here in Adelaide especially. And other things that maybe especially ang passion ko, cooking. So that will be another segment as well. So hopefully you like this short discussion, and please like and subscribe The Bearded Fellow. Alright, see you next time. Thanks for listening guys. See ya. Bye.